exhaust system on the Focus RS MK2 here. This was a straight through system, basically only had a resonator on as well. So what we're going to be doing now is taking the rear section off, the wide piece where the tailpipes come out, and putting this one on. Before we put this system on too, what we'll be doing is putting a ceramic coating on it to protect it as well from the elements and stop any corrosion getting in there as well. So what we'll do now, we'll get the car up on the lift and then we'll go and take a look at the back and see what we've got to do. When we're doing detailing work in here too, we can get access to all areas on the car as well, so that's a big massive bonus. So if you're looking to have your car detailed, don't hesitate, give us a call. So I'm coupling these clamps here and then we can get these off. How about them? The other one off, that's another one done. Right. This is the fiddly bit here now, getting this section on here, get this married up to this. A lot of fiddling around here to get this section on. We've got it up here now. We're going to make sure that we've got all the joints right up as tight as we can get them. Hopefully this is going to be a hell of a lot quieter in the cab later on. Right, so we've got the clamps on now. Everything's tightened up underneath there. And the rubber stops either side, so we lubricated them as well, in case there's a bit of play there. And now we're going to put the exhaust tips back on. So quite a bit of fiddling around there, but that's the system done. And that's the beauty with this particular exhaust system. You can just have it straight through at the back, or two boxes as well, and it's just a straight swap over too. Just check everything's sturdy. We've tightened all the bolts up and everything now, so that's all boxed off. That's the section we've took off the car now, so we'll drop the car down and see how this sounds. On this and let me know your thoughts on it. Sounds quite awesome. The other exhaust system we had on the back, the straight through one we took off, that was far too loud altogether. Just open this up a bit now. Sounds a lot quieter than the 18 system that was on this before. As I said, this is the KMS Thunderstorm Exhaust.